Good afternoon, students. We have gathered here to understand about our this English grammar section, and this is lesson one is going on. This alphabet one we have already come across. It is saying that words help us to express our feelings, thoughts, and such a group of words which make a complete sense is called a sentence. Every sentence begins with a capital letter, it ends with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. It has a subject and a predicate. Like that, up to now we have come to know. Now this make sentence in our lesson second, lecture second, we have come across about framing sentences. I have given you all to make sentence from nouns, pronouns, verbs, and adjectives. You have now a good understanding how you can frame a sentence. Now here some words have been given to you all to make sentence. Here it is already made. So you need to copy it down all properly, and then we have to arrange these jumbled words to frame a meaningful sentence. These words are not in order as because these sentences, these words cannot be said as a sentence. Here we have to punctuate. As you see this B1 part, it is starting with a small letter. So a sentence will always start with a capital letter like that. So and it will end with a full stop, that assertive sentence. Since it was an exclamatory sentence, I have done it. This I have given it sign of exclamation because it was a moment of hurry. So here the second sentence is coming up. You could get a cup of tea for me, and so like that way we have to make sentence. Cleanliness is next to godliness. We have to start with capital letter cleanliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Like we have to frame a sentence and we have to end it with a full stop which shows a great pause. And here we have to take a stop like that, break. And now the fourth sentence, and animals, trees provide food and shelter to animals. Trees must be the first letter, tree will be from capital letter, capital T. Trees provide food and shelter to animals. Food and shelter to animals. Like that we have to make sentence, this meaningful sentence. Hungry. I am really tired and hungry. I will be capital. I am really tired and hungry. So we have to make sentence from jumbled words. Jumbled words are in a zigzag way. You have to form. You have to choose subject. Subject word will always be a noun and pronoun, as I have taught you earlier also. Now, what you would like to eat? What would you like to eat? What? It is a question word, so it will end with a question mark. What would you like to eat? So it will end with a question mark, since it is a question, an interrogative sentence. Sentences are of four types. Here it is coming up. In next session you will be coming to know about it. I like to eat pizza. I like to eat pizza. So you have well copied it. Now I am going to wipe it off, and then thereafter it will go for a while, and then the subject and predicate part is there for you to understand. And this is now I like to eat pizza. I like to eat pizza. Full stop. Like that, your father, what your father is doing? What your father is doing? or since it is a question word, so you may take here also. What is your father doing? Like that, you should rather take this is from here to here. Okay, 9 number is your what a boring match it was. It is a exclamatory sentence, so it will end with a sign of exclamation. What a boring match it was. Sign of exclamation. Hurrah, we have won the match. Sign of, this is also exclamatory sentence, so hurrah, you can, after hurrah also you can put here the sign of exclamation. We have won the match. Full stop. Or else from a short comma, this sign of exclamation you can put up here also. Either way you should understand. You are my student, so you should know what can be the best remedy of the thing. So here also either way you can put sign of exclamation. Okay. So this is the thing was to be taught today, and this subject sentence part is sentence is divided into two parts. That is subject and predicate. So here I hope you all have copied it. Now you see this how a sentence is broken into two parts in order to have you for a full understanding. This sentence is always broken into two parts, as we know. One is subject and the other one is predicate. Predicate, as you all know that predicate is, subject word is always noun or pronoun. Or predicate will essentially be what? It's finite verb. Plus object. So you need to understand this subject and predicate, and sometimes a complement comes out to modify a subject, that we have to know, and later on this sentence is divided into, you can see this assertive sentence, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Sentences are of 4 types. In later class you will be known to that thing particularly. Okay, and now I hope tomorrow I will be giving you the full view of this lesson 1, and accordingly we could finish this subject and predicate and complement part. Okay, fine, thank you.